welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. With me, Mona Lisa Rumbai, presenting to you the news for today. Here are the headlines for today. Thousands joined peace rally in Langtor to condemn murder of mother and child. FKJGP leaders demand action after inspection of Ramrai CNRD block office. St. John's School celebrates Golden Jubilee with grand inauguration. And 47th Annual Sports Day of St. Peter's High School inaugurated in Nostan. And now the news in detail. Thousands of people from Langtor and neighbouring villages marched on March 11, 2025 to condemn the tragic murder of Darisha Lingdo Kanchi, 26 years, and her 2-month-old child. The bodies of the victims were discovered by the Langtor village headman on the morning of March 2nd. The Donbosco Langtor, in collaboration with the Meghalaya Asha Workers Union, civil society groups, teachers, students and residents organized a peace rally. The rally began at Kroba village and ended at Langtor village square, where participants voiced their anger and demanded swift action. Speakers including Kongmira Jonmer Singh, president of the Asha Workers Union, urged law enforcement to investigate and punish the perpetrators. The family of the victims also expressed deep sorrow, urging the police to release the post-mortem report and take action against those responsible for this heinous crime. On March 11th, leaders of the Federation of Khasi Jaintia and Garo People, FKJGP Ramrai Circle, visited the Ramrai CNRD block following complaints from residents about the non-functioning of the office. During the inspection, it was revealed that no employees were present despite records showing 6 employees assigned to MGNREGA and PMAYG schemes. FKJGP President Ba Jastarlan Lingkhoi criticized the lack of staffing and inadequate infrastructure, claiming the BDO office and building were insufficient. Leaders have called on the government to appoint a permanent BDO and build a proper office to ensure residents receive essential services similar to other areas with functional CNRD blocks.
RTI, right to information, ba ka blog hato ka don sisan em kumba ka sarkar kalay ban pli how to isnem tenrei lemba ka jinglop jungi lemba ka RTI NEHU hanne ba BDO om partial don ndrei don tam kine kinong trei jang ka badepe ya ka MGNREGA ba ka PMYG ka badai jo kine ki circle kata kershai Kamaudo, Kamauther, Kamauli, but Kamaudet Amrai, but me hangne bakinotray Idon. Nrayaba, Yaday Bakanan, Takasni, Layo Ban here. Shakateka, Ramrai Synergy Block, Nray NEHU, but leave us to the Shamladon A. Tenagliam to Gigasan, you can do. If you were Sarkar, Bahami one plea, a Kanaka block. Nimday, Banchu, one ban Pendika, Ikipaiba, Nray. Baka blok kadai galat kumno bane kenduk limba ki paipa bagi ofisar nagam ta ka roi ka par hino kendong bane jam nagliam ka sarkar bagi paipa ba khnang bagi paipa jo ka dong ka thany ramrai kum bagi lak kamen ladap ka jing kamen au tai ajar aku arak por wan pli limba uchip nistar badan buram nrai menta ba kidap ka jing susi bagi jing ngo bagi wan wat ia kita ginom tray agar ramrai sini blok kumba gila anut handrai Samla dan kenalian kaseng ikan tujuh reka gibar sarkar kamtam menta kana don ka assembly ba kamtam MLA juga than ba unbedin undiai budin ba hadu ba kana ka ramrai sini blok bandayo ya ka building ya ka manpuar ba de ginom tray khnang ba ki paiba juga don ka than ramrai kinjo lam ne jingman toy Kumbayo kiway ki jaga ki than hapo jong kajala.
On March 10th, St. John's School marked its Golden Jubilee with a grand inauguration. The event was graced by Most Reverend Victor Lingdo, Archbishop of Shillong Archdiocese, and Reverend Father Dr. Joseph Mapela Brambil, Provincial Secretary of Clachan Province, Northeast India, who was the chief guest. The inauguration also saw the presence of priests, religious leaders from neighboring missions, and officers from various Meghalaya government departments. Teachers, students, and parents of the students attended the event, which celebrated the school's 50-year legacy. Reverend Father James Anthony Mawa, the school principal, shared the history and achievements of St. John's School over the past 5 decades. The day was filled with vibrant cultural programs showcasing the talents of the students, leaving the attendees impressed and proud of the school's progress and contributions to education. The 47th Annual School Sports of St. Peter's High School, Nongston was inaugurated on March 11, 2025 with Reginald Kharkongor, MCS BDO of Moshinrut CNRD Block as the chief guest. In his address, Reginald encouraged students to actively participate in sports to strengthen both their bodies and minds, emphasizing that it would positively impact their academic performance. He praised the school staff for providing students with opportunities to showcase their talents on the sports field. Reginald urged the students to remain humble, determined and disciplined while participating in competitions, stressing the importance of respecting teachers who, he said, are like parents in the classroom. Reverend Father Marius Thongniba, rector of the school, also delivered a keynote address highlighting the importance of sports in maintaining good health and overall well-being. The event promises a day of competition and sportsmanship for all participants.
Demonstrating exemplary leadership and unwavering command is our parade commander, Livingstone. Now in perfect formation, the Blue House's first platoon enters, commanded by Abrian Lasmi, with Jonathan McCoy marching behind, bearing their flag with immense pride. Stepping forward, the Blue Houses is Jonathan with a striking display of discipline and power. Will George Termiang commands the second platoon of the greenhouse with precision. Now making their way forward in perfect symphony, the third platoon of Blue House enters under steadfast leadership of Menda Jotlang Bausor. Exuding confidence and strength, the third platoon of Yellow House is led by the remarkable Fatima Yao Miao.
On the evening of March 10th, 2025, Bathok Nong Male, owner of Jadhi restaurant, inaugurated the Rumen futsal ground in Maudiang Nongpo to promote physical activity among the youth and adults of Nongpo and neighboring villages. The opening ceremony was attended by Mirabon's MLA, who joined Bathok in officially launching the futsal venue in front of friends and family. Bathok explained that the facility aims to provide a dedicated space for people of all ages, youth, adults and the elderly to engage in exercise and sports. He emphasized that the futsal ground will also benefit local athletes by offering a convenient space for training and recreational activities. The new facility promises to enhance community fitness and well-being in the region.
So nakaliang jungang pelpau nakong di semua peringkat bung tahu bo funyo ikene kalat ya kebingela bentli kene Rumen futsal ground mandakasui pelpau di semua iba Meralbon amele don boromji belak ekor bentli kene ka madani lekai kene kasui bat nakaliang kejugi kaying gasem di pelpau kejing sukumen bahal pa kejingi kejung bling yo ikalat bantli kene kemadan yo ikalat leti ban snaika ban ngikermen balang bahaju kene kasngi yo ban ai kejing ile kai ki kun samla jo kene kadong kathan kejungi bat khamtam ban kinopoi siki jing blin klaslew bat bayra bu ka koi kakhia blish bot kene ka por ngidap jing sukumen ka pau ban dan rekat kene ka jaka begini kaya ka futsal
kabalatip kum ka rumen futsal ground hang ni mau ding ya kaba long try da i ba bat hok nong mali lembat kaying ngasem de jong i boro jadi do kat di kun di dap ing sukemen ka bakrau ba ki riurang ba ki badan ka bensim ban kentiu ya ki kami le kai ban li kum kini ki caka abi kun samla jong kadong ka thang ni jong kini yo ban wan ban penut por hang ni ban ye le kai na ka benta ka jing ka kot ka khia nam ban fitness jong i ban kum ju ro na ka benta kum no ban kentiu i kami le kai sport tengah ai kuble na ka bentai ba ban hok wi ne ki nong tre kam la jong jong ne kadong ka thang ki jong i badan ni kini bensim ban bu ya kene ke futsal ada ni ke cakap profesional mau jumpa bat ni so komen ru ba haga jing persang ban budin ya kam ba pher ru ni i ba gadong ka than ni kala nanti nang tri kam la jong jana nang kiu nang ko por bat ni kentu ba kiwi ki parlok ro bakin nang iyo mensim susu ban nang la ban nang yarap nang tak kum no ban kintiu yang kun samla kum unong mikmat yang ne gadong ka than ru ini teriakan ban penting kena bagi.
So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.